Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 143 Grand Drive here in Hampton in Herne Bay. Located just off of the seafront, this immaculate home offers it all. We've got three great sized double bedrooms with the principal ensuite as well. Stunning open plan accommodation on the ground floor with the sleek kitchen, large laundry room and the cloakroom there as well. Impressive master suites upstairs too. We've got a beautiful west facing rear garden, and from a convenience perspective here we've got the integral garage with plenty of off-road parking, all of course offered within a highly desirable location, and this is a rare opportunity to come across. Properties like this are rarely available in this particular part of town, and even better, the property is offered with no forward chain. So having come through from the main hallway, we've got the cloakroom there on the left hand side, and we come through into this beautiful open plan living, dining and kitchen space there, making full use of the dual aspect with all of that light coming through from the rear and from the front. The kitchen itself, beautiful modern space opening through into a fantastic utility room area. So from here we've got still plenty to take a look at. We're going to go back through the main living spaces, head upstairs, take a look at those three fantastic double bedrooms. Got some gorgeous views from the windows as well, and then we're going to head out into the back garden, take a look at what we've got there before wrapping up today's video tour. So here we are upstairs, and we're coming through into the first of these brilliant double bedrooms. You've got two windows at the front there, just letting all of that natural light flood through. We've got an arrangement of fitted wardrobes here as well for added convenience, and just tucked away around here we've got, of course, the ensuite shower room here for the main bedroom. So a fantastic space, of course, with the loo, sink and shower unit there as well. Two further bedrooms to go through and take a look at, as well as the main family bathroom as well. Lots and lots to go through. Got airing cupboard on the right hand side, and of course bedroom number 2 here. Brilliant double sized room, this time with those double fitted wardrobes on the right hand side of us. Lovely big window there as well, just letting all of that natural light flood through. So from here we're just going to head further along from the landing, take a right hand turn and go into the main family bathroom. Really nice open space here, nice and modern, of course, with the loo and sink unit inset there into the vanity unit with the cupboards and drawers below. Bath on the right hand side with, of course, the shower attachment above. And then another bedroom here, absolutely brilliant, lots and lots of space to work with in here as well. So we're just going to recap a few points as we go into the back garden in just a few moments. This is, of course, number 143 Grand Drive, an immaculate home just off of the seafront here in Hampton in Herne Bay. The property offers three great sized double bedrooms with the ensuite to the principal room, stunning open plan accommodation with that sleek kitchen, large laundry room and the cloakroom, an impressive master suite as well. We've got that fantastic west facing rear garden, integral garage with off-road parking and no forward chain. Really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.